How are you all? Welcome back to the channel. This video is gonna be a 1500 calories meal plan, a pure vegetarian meal plan for extreme fat loss. This meal plan can be used by males and females as well. So it will be super easy homemade recipes, homemade meals. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Here's my first meal. I have 200 grams of sprouts. Yes, I have made a salad out of it. You can see it. And I have around 300 ml slim milk, which will give me protein. I'm again gonna put in all the macros on my screen here so that you check it out. So this meal is super tasty, high in fibers and really filling, guys. 200 grams of sprouts. Simple salad recipe. I've just added onions, a bit of tomatoes, green chilies, nimbu chaat masala, that's it. So this is my first meal. I'll see you guys in the second meal, that will be lunch. So yeah. My second meal here, it's basically rice, 150 grams of rice, and I have a soya chunk curry with chana. Again, I'll let you know the recipe. If you want to know the recipe, do let me know. With soya chunk curry and some carrot. Yeah, so my lunch, rice, soya chunk curry and carrot. Super high in protein because of soya. Well, many of you asked me regarding soya, does it increase estrogen? No, it's plant estrogen, and having around 100 grams of soya won't increase your estrogen. You safely have soya, there's no issue. And I also have a glass of buttermilk here. Simple glass of homemade buttermilk. Again, I'll put the macros on the screen so that you can check it out, the calories and the macros. If you want to know the recipe of this soya curry, do let me know. Comment and let me know. If I get 10 comments asking for the soya recipe, I'll definitely post it soon. For this meal, I'll be having my snack at around 4:35 in the evening. Let's catch up in the next meal. Okay, here's my snack. I have a glass of whey protein. Guys, I like to have it as a smoothie. Yeah, I blend it in a mixer. Chocolate flavored whey protein. It will give me around 25 grams of protein. Yeah, and then a small orange here. You can see I'll peel it and have it. So one orange and a glass of whey protein. About whey protein, guys, is it safe to consume whey protein? Yes, it is completely safe to consume whey protein because it is made up of milk. Basically milk, it's a dairy product, a dietary supplement. It is not a magic powder or a supplement which will help you build muscle, but then it will help you hit your protein goals. Yeah, when I talk about protein goals, being a vegetarian, it is very difficult to hit your protein goals. For vegetarians, I highly recommend consuming whey protein, which will help you hit your protein goals. That is all. So don't have this misconception only if you have whey protein you'll build muscle. No, it is just to hit your protein requirement. So hope that thing is cleared. I'll meet you guys in my final meal. Okay, final meal of the day, dinner time. I'm having paneer sandwich. Yes, tons of vegetables in it. Paneer sandwich, high in volume, and cucumber and a guava for fiber. So here's the sandwich. So you can see I have two sandwiches here, some cucumber and a guava. This is my dinner, last meal of the day. And after this, I'll drink around 1.5 liters of water. Yes, again to fill myself. And so this is the last meal of the day. So here I have added paneer, I've added capsicum, a lot of veggies, low fat mayonnaise, and the paneer I've used is low fat paneer. So if you want to know the recipe, this is really yummy. This tastes really good. And if you want to know the recipes, again 10 comments asking for the recipe. That is the case, I'll definitely post the recipe. Putting the macros and the calories on the screen here. Do check it out. And if you want to know the recipe, comment and let me know. Okay, let's talk about fat loss here. Now, when you talk about fat loss, right, you're supposed to eat in a caloric deficit diet. When I talk about caloric deficit diet, eating just below maintenance calories so that you lose fat. So now this is a 1500 calories meal plan. So you have to understand what calories you require to lose fat, right? It might be 1800, it might be 2000, it might be 2500, it might be 1300. So it depends on you. So make sure you understand what calories you need and then accordingly design your meals, right? And if you want to know how to design your own diet plan, set up calories, if you want me to make a video on it, please do let me know. I'll definitely make a video on it and help you guys. Let's wrap it up here. Hope you liked the damn video. If you have liked the video, do give it a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and do share the video so that it reaches more people. Until next time, Shaswat.